When they install the TV on the wall and you don't know how to teach you step by step. Also, as you can see, this fan you see over here, it doesn't have a wire. The wire is built in the rope and it goes all the way down there. Okay, now we have the wall mount bracket and we're going to put it just here. So we have to make sure that all the holes fits, that we have the right screws. And we're going to put this here. Make sure that it's straight. The reason I didn't put this, the other way around, because otherwise it will cover the ports. So now we're going to grab this, and this goes on the wall. Now we have to make sure that the holes match up here and over here there as well. Do not over tighten them. We should be good now. This is the locking screw that will go there. We're going to take the measuring tape so that way we make sure that everything is in the middle. So as you can see, we have 56. We're going to divide it by 2. Right, 28 is half of the 56. The customer wants the TV at this height, the bottom part, so we're going to take the measurements from here. The top is 17. We're going to put it there. The customer wanted like this, so should be here. We should be good. So a little bit higher, just in the middle. There. There, we should be good. We're going to try to make it a little bit higher and reach half of the brick will be better right here. This is not going to hold all the weight because here arrow and here the arrow, so that way we know where we have to make the holes. Before we start making holes on the wall, I'm going to show you this type of drills. As you can see here, for instance, we have the Rigid. I like this brand. I've been using it for a very long time, and they're very powerful. And this is the economical option. So as you can see, you have to see here on the side where you see the hammer, the screw, and the drill on the top. Just by moving that little handle, you can do that. Also, you will need if you don't buy the kit, you're going to need the battery and the charger. If you're willing to spend on this will be a good thing. You're going to recoup this cash very quickly, because you're going to be able to charge very well by doing these type of things. Otherwise, you can use this. As you can see, this is the Rotary drill. They are very powerful. They are way powerful than this. As you can see here, they are bigger, but they are way more powerful. Like I said before, you can use it even with a chisel or anything like that. As you can see here in the little video, if you have to bust small pieces of concrete, it can do it. You can buy the one that is corded, or you can buy the one that is cordless. I like everything cordless, but other than that, it will come with the kit, as you can see. Otherwise, you can buy a small kit of drill bits. For that, I'll show you. If you buy the first drill that I showed you before, you're going to be using the regular concrete drills. Otherwise, you have the special ones. For instance, for rotary machines, rotary hammer drills, as you can see here, and this is a good option. I have Bosch. I've been using it for a very long time, and I never had any issue with them. So this is the small trick that you have to know in order to do the hole on the wall. Also, you're going to need the anchors and the screws. For anchors, you can use something like this. It works very well. Otherwise, if you have the kit that comes with the wall mount, you can buy that as well. So as you can see here, these are the anchors. The screws, they come for sure. Sometimes they come the screws, but they don't come with the anchors, because they assume that you're going to put it on wood, like a stud or maybe drywall or anything like that, and then they think that you're going to be able to find the stud. But otherwise, if you have a concrete, like this is the case, or brick, you're going to use this kit. So I'm going to leave in the video description these all the tools that I just mentioned, just in case if you want to use something like that. Now let's continue with the video. Now we're going to put the first screw. Let's put another washer just in case. As usual, we're going to put the level. Great, beautiful. All right. Now we're going to need a security screw, the locket screw that you see over here. That goes on the top. So you can see, we're going to put it there. Everything is good. By moving this to the left, to the side, you can tilt it. All right, so you can see, same level that the customer wanted.